And the opposition is blasting the health minister for his handling of the situation. Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Dayton Campbell, believes today's announcement highlights a lack of foresight by the minister. He argues that based on the high number of cases this year, it had long been an outbreak.
I think the minister was irresponsible in delaying coming to the country to allow them to know what is the true situation. I think the delay has caused more suffering than it could have, because had there been earlier acknowledgement, earlier management structure put in place to deal with the issue and persons being aware so that they can play their role, because the reaction should not only come from the government, it has to also come from the citizens as to how they take caution in their own environment.
He believes the delayed announcement led to mosquito breeding sites being ignored in some communities. He also argues that some persons who were experiencing symptoms took the wrong medication because they doubted there was a dengue outbreak. The opposition is again raising concerns about the children at the Bustamante Hospital in Kingston.
I'm told that after the deaths at Bustamante, that there are also some other children there that were in the intensive care or on life support, and we're also told that the infectious ward is overflowing and they have to be housing persons elsewhere. And so we're requesting to do a tour of the facility. I'm going to write to the ministry officially, but we don't want the same thing with Cornwall again, where we're going to do a tour and they're trying to block it. What we want to do is to see what is going on so that we can make our contribution. And so I'm making it known publicly that early next week we will be doing a tour of that facility to see what is going on.